Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the Winter Still winners drawing. Um, just a little recap. I had a kit called Winter Still. We had 2 weeks of challenges, a little shorter than normal because we started the next challenge that is running now, the Cozy Christmas, 1 week earlier. So not at the beginning of December, but the last week from November, to be finished right before Christmas. So we shortened Winter Still. It was running in 4 Facebook groups. No, correct. I have to correct that. 5 Facebook groups. Sweet Pea Papers, Junk Journals, tutorials, and more. Haystack Crafty Corner and Choose Sister Jam. There were freebies and challenges. I didn't make a lot. I didn't use a kit. I made a little journal over here. Still have to make the binding. I did create this tag on front of this. This is a freebie page. This is existing craft paper that I have from a paper pad. I don't know the brand anymore because the brand was cut off a long time ago. The first week freebie was creating this like tag envelope because it's basically a tag. I merged two together and then I created this. And the other challenge was, what was the other? With the little elements. We created little elements with the freebies. And I made these 3. I also made the cover from a little traveler's notebook. One of the pages is inside. And that's all, because then I was really sick. And yeah, I'm sick. I'm still not doing okay. Went to the doctor today and I have, we call it a lung ontsteking. And you call it pneumonia, I think. But yeah, I have meds and fever. The fever is not that high that I'm feeling too bad. Well, it is high, but it's really weird. But when I have a little fever, I do feel a little energetic. I don't know how that comes, but I do take rest and sleep very well. I sleep very well, by the way. But I didn't. Well, my husband had a cold. Well, first my son started, then my husband. And Tuesday morning I woke up and I was feeling something going on the chest area. And I'm thinking, oh, maybe I will get the cold too. But my husband was coughing all day and all night. And I didn't cough at all. But I had fever and he didn't have fever. So I was kind of worried. So I went to the doctor today also to have my stitches removed from the tissue they took from my back because there were suspicious spots. And she did a checkup and she said, well, your left lung is not sounding normal. So now, she said, well, it is pneumonia and the beginning, so it's not on its peak, she said. She thought, because it's also a little guessing, she said. But I have meds and I hope to be better soon. So I take my time to rest and do little things. But yeah, I didn't create something with the Cozy Christmas kit either because I couldn't. I did work, but got home, ate something, watched a little TV, and then went to bed. So I had a good night rest. And working went well, but around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, then I started to feeling tired and really wanted to go home. But yeah, I finished at 5, so that was okay. And it's a short drive, 50 minutes, and then I'm home. So yeah. Oh yeah, that's me. Still sick or sick again. It's something different every time. So yeah, it's like the playing bingo with all the diseases you can have. I'm almost there. I have almost a full card. But yeah, I'm going to do the winner's drawing. I can't show you my journal. I don't have any journal. But I can show you the price because I didn't do that. Also forgot to do that because there's a physical price. There are digitals too, but there's also a physical price that I'm going to send you if you win. And I said I was going to think about the physical price and then I'm going to show you, which I never did. Probably because I was sick. And also, there are drawings in the other Facebook groups. They have winners drawings too. So there are 4 winners drawings for 3 prizes in each group. But you have to check the Facebook group, what the prizes are, and most of them have the first prize a physical prize, but I think there's one group that does have a physical prize, but when it's not in the US, it will be exchanged to a digital prize, and that is 3 digitals for my shop. So that's still a great prize to win, I think. But yeah, let me show you the prize that I got for you, and I hope you like it. So the second prize is 2 digitals for my shop. The third prize is 1 digital. And the first prize is this little Edith Holden book. It is a Dutch version and it's a paperback. It's not the one with the linen cover. It is smaller, in case you want to know, in inches. Are there inches on this? No. Sorry. Wrong ruler. In inches, it is... Whew. Is it 5 3/4, you say? Almost. Something like that. And in height it is 7. It's not 7.5, 7.2. Something like that. Sorry, I'm not good with the inches. We have centimeters in Holland, so that's easier. But it's a it's a small little journal, and it has great discolored pages. But it's in Dutch, so that's also something you don't see every day. It's the same as the English version, but it's all in Dutch, so everything is written in Dutch. So I thought that is a nice prize to win and to send to the winner. It has all the drawings. It is exactly the same as a larger version. So yeah, you can use it in your craft if you are strong enough to wreck it. I have issues wrecking those journals, and I've been hoarding these. I have a lot of these, and I still haven't used one of them. Not even the paperback versions, which I really like. But you see, their images are all in. Look at that. It's just beautiful. So yeah, you can keep it and treasure it forever, or you can wreck it. That's up to you. But the first prize winner wins this book. So let's go over to the desktop, to my laptop, so I can put all the names in the wheel and we can actually spin for the winners. So I have the wheel with all the names. I hope you can see, because to me it's a white turning spot with blue stripes and I can't see the names. There are so many entries, it's very hard to read. But I'm going to draw 3 times. I'm going to spin for the first time. No, not the first time. The first spin is going to be for the first prize, and that is the Edith Holden book. It's very dark in here, otherwise you can't see the screen. And then I'm going to spin for the second and the third prize. So here we go. The first spin for the first prize. Oh, that's kind of wonderful. That's Bea de Vries, and she's a Dutchie. So she will receive the Dutch version of the Edith Holden book. Yay! Congratulations, Bea. I forgot to say that, but when you are drawn, your name has come up as a winner, you will be removed from the wheel completely. So other people have chance to winning too. So bye, Bea! So yeah. Second spin. for the second prize, 2 digitals from my Etsy. Oh, it freezed a little. You saw that too. I was scared I did something, but I didn't. Misty Car, congratulations. You won 2 digitals from my Etsy store. And you can send me a messenger message and to say which one you want to have. And I'm going to remove your name from the wheel completely. By Misty. And the third prize, that is 1 digital from my Etsy. Here we go. Yay! I really like this. This is Melinda McKim Davis. Congratulations, Melinda. Let me know what kit you want to receive. And I'm so happy you won, Melinda, because Melinda was also the group ambassador during the Winter Steel Challenge. And yeah, she did a great job. I am sorry I didn't comment it on everybody's post because, I was ill and ill again. So yeah, I'm a little bit behind, but I don't see I can ever catch up. I did comment on a few posts that I checked today to see, like Melinda's post to see. And yeah, well, I'm behind. I'm very sorry for all that, but I'm very happy you all joined in. I'm not so happy I couldn't craft myself. I hope to do better with the Christmas collab, but the first week is not going great. But yeah, after a good night's sleep, I hope to do a little crafting tomorrow and the day after a little bit. So maybe I'm just going to make small projects and keep it simple, but I will do a little bit of crafting, of course. I really want to join in. So yeah, thanks everybody for joining in, and also thank you all for joining in the Cozy Christmas collab, the collaboration I did with Suzanne. Well, we are still doing, and there are so many posts already, and yeah, it's just magical to see all those posts all over the Facebook group. And again, I didn't comment on all the posts. That doesn't mean I don't see them, but it's just a lot. And if you're not feeling great, yeah, you just scroll and think, oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. I will try to do better in the next year. I promise. And also thanks to all the design team members that work with the Winter Steel kit. Make sure you watch those videos too of the flip throughs or the projects they made, because they are very inspiring too. And yeah, make sure you see all members' posts too, because they are so pretty. And yeah, you are so creative. And yeah, I really like see how I'm liking. Oh, I don't get my sentences right. I like seeing how the members are growing also as artists, because you do see changes in the way they craft because you inspire each other, and it's really wonderful to see. So I just wanted to say that. I didn't say it very well, but I hope you understand. Okay, I really have to go now. Again, thank you for watching, for liking, subscribing, leaving a comment. And if you do want to leave me a comment right now, please do. If you want to know more about the next challenge, the Cozy Christmas, please check out the Cozy Christmas video. If you type in Cozy Christmas, hashtag Cozy Christmas collab on my channel, you will find the videos. And also make sure you check Suzanne's videos from Nonstop Papercrafts. And in the Facebook groups, 5 groups joining in. And there will be 6 winners drawing, 6 times. And there will be physical prizes too. So I don't know what I'm going to do as a prize, but I will show you and hope not forget. But yeah, if you are interested in joining in, make sure you watch the video so you know what to do, how to enter. There are freebies. You can enter with the freebies, and there's a lot to play with. And the next week challenge on Monday, the second week is starting on Monday. So, but you still can join in because you have a 4th week to catch up on all the challenges and enter everything you want to enter. So there's no hurry. You can even start in the final week. You can still join in. You're not too late. I really have to go. I don't feel well. I have to edit this video and then I'm going to sleep. And I hope I will sleep very well. And I will talk to you soon. Thank you. Greetings from the Netherlands. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye. Bye.